Imagine needing a human alarm clock to start your day. Before the age of buzzing alarms and smartphone melodies, people relied on knocker-uppers to wake up. Armed with long sticks or pea shooters, these professional wakers roamed the streets of Britain and Ireland, tapping on windows until their clients stirred. Employed mostly during the Industrial Revolution, they played a crucial role in keeping the working class punctual for their early factory shifts. Often paid a few pence a week, knocker-uppers were the unsung heroes of punctuality, ensuring the wheels of industry turned smoothly. In a world without snooze buttons, these dedicated individuals used their trusty tools to ensure the city awoke on time. This quirky profession persisted well into the 20th century, demonstrating just how inventive people could be in solving everyday problems before technology took over. Would you trust a stranger to wake you up today?